Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the we've detected a problem with your cookie settings on Windows, so specifically with the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So we're going to go ahead and jump into how to hopefully resolve this problem without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by opening up the Firefox browser if it's not already open. Go ahead and select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen, and then you want to select the options selection. Select privacy and security on the left side. Scroll down. Underneath cookies and site data, select clear data. You want to make sure both cookies and site data as well as cache web content are checkmarked, and then select clear. Please note that it will clear all cookies and site data stored by Firefox. This may sign you out of websites and remove offline web content. Select clear now. Once you're done with that, close out of here. Restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. And then once you open up Firefox, once you've restarted everything, hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.